What's up, YouTube? We are back at it again with another YouTube video. So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brandon. I drive a 2016 Ram 1500. On this channel you're going to see a lot of product reviews, DIY things, stuff like that. So thank you for checking out my channel, and let's get into it. So today we are starting off inside the truck, mostly because of wind noise. It's a windy day and I want you guys to be able to hear me. But this is going to be just a short, quick, little fun video that I've wanted to talk about and hopefully open discussion for other people. And so we'll get right into it. When I say open discussion is I'm going to be talking about the 5 things that I love about this truck. So that'll open discussion as to I want people to comment down below things that they like about, that they have found that they like about their Ram, little quirky things, maybe a hidden secret, anything like that that you like about your Ram. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I have to say that I absolutely love about this truck is the 8-speed transmission. And I can say from personal experience, coming from a Silverado, it makes a drastic difference. Hopefully this lighting's better here, I don't know. It makes a drastic difference. The shifts are butter smooth. Sometimes, you can't even, if I didn't have dual exhaust, I wouldn't even know it's shifting. It's so smooth, you feel nothing. So yeah. And it also, with the 8-speed transmission, you're going to be sitting lower in your RPMs than you would with a 6-speed transmission, so you're going to be getting just a little bit better gas mileage. And the Ram 1500 actually has the best fuel economy of any full-size pickup truck, which was another win-win for me. Especially when you get into my second thing that I love about this truck, and that is the 5.7 liter V8 Hemi engine that comes with 395 horsepower to the crank, on top of getting the best gas mileage. You're also getting more torque and more horsepower out of this motor, which it's obviously that's 395 to the crank, so that's not what you're getting to the wheels, but that still is more than its competitors, unless you look at like the High Country or something of that nature, where you get the 6.2 liter in the Silverado, which is like 420 horsepower to the crank. But for the general, this has the most horsepower. So bringing me into the third one is the storage space for this truck. So there is just an insane, you have this huge one here, you have a top one here, an even larger one in the bottom, which is absolutely huge. 3 little spots of storage there. You come over here, you have like a glove, like a top glove compartment, and then come down here and you have a bottom glove compartment. Holders here, 2 cup holders down here, and if we come around to the back, which I haven't fully taken advantage of yet, but if you come under the floor here on both sides, there's in the floor storage, and underneath the entire seat is all storage. There's just an insane amount of space. Again, with the rear doors, you get here, and then you have big deep containers here. So I just love, we'll go ahead and hop back in where it's no wind noise. There's also little slots here on the driver and the passenger side. Just an absolute insane amount of storage. And the cab of this thing is massive. To have so much room on my side. That seat is, I believe, I want to say it's all the way back, and still doesn't touch our rear-facing car seat. So storage space and just overall interior space, I just absolutely love about this truck. Number 4 thing that I love about this truck is the body lines. And we'll come outside for this one. And besides the body lines, just the overall look of the truck. It's appealing to me when trucks have more of that round shape, with the body lines and the front, like the bumpers are round. And you know how especially with the new, like the wheel wells around, which is new to me. Coming from a Silverado, they had the square wheel wells, super round bumpers. The only thing that I don't like is I wish it had steps like the new Silverados have. I wish that was a thing. Rounds out here, just an absolutely gorgeous truck, and I'm not a big fan of the new approach like the new Silverados are taking. We'll hop back in. That was one thing that kind of pushed me away, was the new Silverados. They're getting very blocky. I love my 2010. If you've been here from the beginning, my 2010, how round the body style was that. I just like good round edges. I don't like the sharp edges and the square look, unless it's like, you know, like an old square body pickup truck. That's different. But with the more modern trucks, I'm a fan of the round body style. So, bringing me to the last thing that I really love about this truck is the dual exhaust that it comes with. And for me, that made such a huge, it made making this truck louder so much easier. So literally all I had to do for my dual exhaust, if you have not seen that video of the Flowmaster Super 10, go ahead and check that out. I will have a link to that you can click on and go watch it. Literally all that had to be done was cut off the stock muffler, have the Flowmaster one welded in. Parts and labor, I was in there for like $120. If you want to get like a dual exit on any other truck that comes with a single exit exhaust, you're going to be $300+ to get what you're looking for. This comes already with the pipes, with the tips, everything. So getting dual exhaust on this was super cheap. And then if you don't go with a muffler, if you go with just like a Y pipe, which is like $25-30, you can literally be a parts and labor for under $100, which is absolutely insane to me to get a great sound, to get a great sounding truck. So those are my top 5. There are lots of things obviously I love about this truck. This is why I chose it. But those are my top 5 things that I love about this truck. Go ahead and comment down below. What are some things that you love about your Ram? And they might be things that I haven't learned yet. I've only had this truck maybe 6 months or so. So like things in the screen and like the computer system, I'm still learning a lot of things about it. So go ahead and comment down below if you have a Ram and things that you love. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos to come. And until next time, peace.